So guys, we are going to do the install and test with Wireshark on Windows. So to do that, we first of course need to download and install Wireshark. So let's do that first. So I want to install Wireshark. So let's download the 64-bit installer since this is 64-bit Windows. I'll save that. Then I open it. I'm installing on top of my original Wireshark install, so that's okay. I'm just going to go through the entire space. I will leave the desktop icon in place. I'll also put the legacy icon. So I've already got those icons, which is why I'm not putting them, but otherwise I would allow them to go there. Install the PCAP. It's a fairly straightforward install, nothing very complex over here. And now let's run Wireshark. So Wireshark is initializing, letting it started. And now you will see, same as we saw with the Mac, for those of you who saw that, the interfaces that have traffic show activity. In my case, I've also got VirtualBox installed, and so my VirtualBox interfaces are also showing activity, but in this case, I'm more interested in my Wi-Fi. So let's start capturing what's happening with my Wi-Fi network. Now, while this is running, I'm going to open up my Opera browser once again, and you will immediately see a host of traffic again. Now let's go to, let's say, which of this? I'm going to do a search. And by the way, for those of you who are new to Wireshark, if you go to SharkFest over here, you will get links to a whole lot of interesting stuff, including books and training, and you can look at documentation and these kind of videos over here, which show you a lot of detail about what Wireshark is and what you can do with Wireshark, and a lot of detailed, in-depth discussions about the various things you can do. But now I've captured a fair amount of activity over here, so I'm going to stop this. And let's look at a single TCP packet. What is this? You can take a look at details, as in the sequence analysis, the timestamps. Now, a lot of this you already seen in your book in the details you read. So this will show you exactly where to find all of those. So this talks about the various TCP flags. You can also follow a thread of conversation. So you can go here and follow the TCP stream. You can see it as hex data, which allows you to see specific stream sets. And you can go and count your next streams and so on and so forth. You can track individual streams to see what all was happening over there. How is this helpful? Well, let's see. That shows you where exactly it happened in the conversation. This is application data. What data is it showing me? So my question now for you is to go ahead and try doing this on your own and see if you can capture IPv6 packets and analyze them for her. Why don't you give that a shot, and I'll start walking you through various aspects of how much more we can use Wireshark and packet analysis to do some kind of network analysis. Okay.